The first and simplest solution is to restart your computer. Often, a quick reboot can resolve temporary glitches. If a restart does not solve the problem, a user has suggested a helpful workaround involving syncing your date and time and then running a system file checker scan. To sync your date and time, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the Time and Language tab. On the left-hand side menu, click on Date and Time. Ensure that the switches for Set Time Automatically, Set Time Zone Automatically, and Show Time in System Tray are all turned on. After enabling these options, click on Sync Now. Once your time is synchronized, it is time to run the System File Checker, or SFC scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Once it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator to open the elevated Command Prompt window. In this window, type the command sfc/scannow and then press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of your system files to detect and repair any corrupt or missing files that might be causing the Task Manager issue. Hope this was helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.